Welcome to the future of complaint management. Today, we're introducing the groundbreaking Complaints, Grievances, and Requirements module from OpenKM. Designed for seamless integration into your existing infrastructure, this module offers an intuitive, secure user interface, aligning perfectly with your organization's unique needs. With flexibility at its core, OpenKM allows submissions both anonymously and with identification, respecting each organization's policies and ensuring full compliance with current regulations for confidentiality. Stay ahead with our advanced alert system, which notifies you if any grievance remains unaddressed, ensuring every issue receives the attention it deserves and bolstering your organization's accountability. Submitting a complaint is straightforward. For non-anonymous submissions, simply validate your email and enter the received code to proceed. You can even upload supporting documents for a more comprehensive report. A secure repository safeguards all submissions, while our advanced assignment system ensures that complaints are quickly directed to the right staff members, promoting swift resolution and enhanced collaboration. Track your complaints' progress in real time, fostering transparency and trust in our fair and efficient system. Rest assured, all data is securely stored in OpenKM's repository, accessible only to authorized personnel. This is not just a module, it's a commitment to a transparent, accountable workplace. Embrace the power of effective feedback management today with OpenKM's Complaints, Grievances, and Requirements module.